Welcome to the world of Excel magic. Today we are about to dive into the realm of spreadsheets where simplicity meets incredible usefulness. Greetings Excel explorers. Get ready to supercharge your spreadsheet skills as we unveil the power of simple but incredibly useful Excel formulas. Welcome to the world of Excel playfulness and wonder. Get ready for a journey that will turn your spreadsheets tasks into a fun-filled adventure. Hello, curious minds, join us as we step into the enchanting playland of Excel, where we will discover simple yet effective formulas that will bring joy to your spreadsheets. Let's dive into the extraordinary as we demystify simple yet mighty Excel formulas. Are you ready to transform your Excel world? Let's embark on this delightful adventure. Okay, first of all, we start with our basic function, which is our requirement and most using function in our daily life. So, which is drop down list. So, I want to create drop down list of all these products at there, for example. So, I just go to data tab. It is also known as data validation. I just go to data validation. So, I will select as list. I want to select my range of data. I selected this. So I press OK. Now you can see here we have list of all the products. Like see, I can add any one product like headphones, anyone I want to add. So it will be too much helpful. All of you are well aware of sum function. We just want to calculate sum of sales. What we will do is equal to sum. Sorry, I have not selected the data. I just select the data. Okay, we have calculated the sum. But here I have as a crazy function of Excel which is SUMIF. So if we will give some condition to sum, then he will give output according to our condition. For example, I just enter the formula SUMIF bracket starts. First of all, we have to select range from where it picks up the data. So I select my range. My range is this. So I select it, comma. Now criteria. For example, I want output of sales of headphones. For example, I want output of product CD. So I want different output. So in this case, I will select my drop down list as a criteria every time I change my product. So it gives me sales according to my product. So again, comma, we have to sum range from where it shows output. So we have range is sales because we want output in sales. Bracket close, enter. Like see, if I choose from their laptop, so it will give us sale 34. Let me increase its size so it will be visible to all of you easily. Like I think so it will be visible to you now easily. So here you can see every time I change my product, it will show according to that. Now we have another crazy feature of Excel, which is basically if formula. If formula works on conditions. We give some condition. If it true, it give us our desired output which we have entered. If it condition false, so it will give us false output. So now we see how it applies. So I want to apply formula at there is equal to if bracket start. First of all, we have to select condition. So I select condition my total value if it's greater than 500. So comma first condition will be like good. Condition is not fulfilled, so output will be empty. Sorry, I have selected it empty. We can change it as bad or poor. So you can see our sum is greater than 500. So that's why it's showing us good. So if I change it, for example, I change it by 8. Now see how it changes. Like if I again change it, with 100. Good. If function works like this, you can add multiple conditions according to your requirements. Now we have one more amazing function of Excel, which is COUNTIF. COUNTIF basically used for count how many times a specific name come in your dataset. For example, I just want to check it how many times monitor is come in my product list. So I can use formula of COUNTIF. So to apply formula, I just add monitor 2 to 3 times, so it will be better understanding. I also do for CDs 2 times and 3 times. So how we add formula is equal to count parenthesis start. First of all, we have to select range. So what is our range from where we want to check number of items, how many times it comes. So it's our range. I just select it, comma, criteria. Criteria, for example, we have data validation list. I just want to change list to check how many times it comes. For example, I select Mike, so it will show me how many times Mike come in my data set. So I just select my list, bracket close, enter. Like Mike come in only first time. So every time I change, for example, I change CD comes 3 times, so it is updated. So like this, you will be visible now easily. I want to check monitor, so monitor also comes 3 times. So I want to check for mouse comes for only 1 time. Countif function is mostly used in attendance sheets. For example, you have to calculate how many leaves are their attendance sheet, how many presents, how many absentees are in their present sheet. So you can use COUNTIF and calculate how many leaves, or whichever you want to search, you can count. Now we have function of concatenate. So basically this function is used for combine two values. So for example, we have their first name, surname, and we want full name. So for example, I have John Alexander. So I want to combine these two names. So I just entered and I will search for concatenate. So here I have concatenate. So it's showing me some error. So I will. So first of all, I want to combine two names. First name, comma, second name, and bracket close. Like see, it combine two names easily. You can same do for all other names. So like for example, I enter once again some name, so it will combine and give us full name. It is mostly used for combining two names or some two different datas to combine in a single cell. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and brace yourself for more incredible Excel discoveries ahead. Until next time, let's keep simplifying and conquering Excel.